Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Damilala. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, you are welcome to this space. And to our old subscriber, thanks for sticking with me on this channel. Yay! Yes, if you are looking for a side hustle to start with and that can generate you daily income, here are five business profitable ideas that you can start with as low as 50,000 or less in Nigeria. Number one is POS business. Yes, POS business is a very lucrative business that you can start with as low as 50,000 after you have gotten your terminal machine, that is your POS machine. Yes, so you can start it with 50,000 and people will start coming to withdraw from you, do daily transaction. You can actually get an umbrella and one chair. You have started, the business have started, and that day you will have a profit. So that is it. It's profit guarantee business that you can start daily. Then the second business that you can start with as low as 50,000 is sheep production. Yes, all these plantain chips, potato chips, all this business you can actually start in your kitchen. Yes, all these your cutters in the kitchen, these knives, you can use knife, you can use all these sheet cutter, and then your gas and small pots. The business has started. Get to market where you can buy plantain or potato at a very cheaper rate, and then you cut into pieces. You have started your production. Add small nylon, this packaging leather, this small packaging leather. Before you know it, you package in there and you start selling. Okay, before you know, you have already started your daily income and your money is flowing into you. Then another one is egg reselling. Guys, this is also one of the lucrative business that people are going into in 2025. Egg reselling, what you need to do is to locate these people that are producing eggs, and then you liaise with them. You have already, you have those that you want to distribute to. Okay, so you have already do the marketing before. You consult all these those that are producing. Then you tell them that they should just give you some crates of egg even without money. Yes, you can start this business with 0 naira. Okay, so you can just tell them, and you will distribute to those that you want to give. Then you collect your money, you give them back their money. You have started making money already. How cool is that? Transportation. Yes, transportation business is a very lucrative business. These days everybody moves around. Yes, you need a car, you need tricycle, you need motorcycle to move around, and this is one of the business that can earn you daily. The cool part of this business is that you can start any immediately. Yes, you can start any immediately. All you need to do is to locate and get this their, what's it called, their association. Yes, you meet with their one of their escorts. It can be president, secretary, or financial secretary. So just meet with one of their escorts and then tell them this is what you want to do, because you really need somebody that will help you manage this business even if you are not around. Okay, and these are the people that will help you get a reliable person that will start this business with you. Okay, and this business, you can, based on your choice, you can be daily. That means to say that person can be remitting daily or weekly or monthly, based on your choice. And before you know, you have started making your daily 2K. Childcare or daycare business. Guys, people are not really looking into this business. I don't know why. Because Some people, they're actually looking for who to drop their children with while they do their 9 to 5 job. They are very busy. They don't really have time during the day. You can start this business. Guys, you don't need too much. You don't need too much to start it. You can start in your room, in your sitting room. Before you know, you grow. There are a lot of people that are on school today. They started with this daycare. Yes, all this secondary school and nursery and primary school. They started from crèche. They started from daycare and child care. From there, they grow. All you need to do is, make the environment so friendly to the children. You don't even need to, we actually give you what you need to do to take care of these children, like food, like water, like clothing. You don't need all that. They will bring it themselves. So if you are watched to this part, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will not miss any update from this channel, guys. All these businesses, they are very lucrative, and you don't need too much to start with. You can start and generate daily income is cleaning services. Yes, guys, you see these cleaning services, we have laundry there. There is this car wash. Yes, car wash is under this cleaning services. You can start this and started making money. If you can, you want to tell me that you cannot start this with 50,000? Yes, now you can start your laundry services with that amount. You have a washing machine at home. It's just staring you at face. Start doing laundry business and start collecting your cash. Cool money. Another business that you can do that will earn you daily income is palm oil business, palm oil reselling business. You can start this with as low as 10,000. Did you get that? Yes, because if you don't have money for all these cakes, you can buy 5 liters and start selling in bottles, this small small 75 cl bottles. Some people actually can't afford the 25 liters, but they can afford this 75 cl. Start selling to your friends and families. Before you know, daily income started flowing in. This is another stream of income that you can earn daily money from. Guys, I hope this my video helps a lot.